So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can fix a crashed iPhone. So this may have crashed on an app, or you might just have got a frozen screen and it won't let you move to anything else. And basically the iPhone has become unusable. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this. Now we need to know three things. We need to know the volume up button, the volume down button, and also the lock button. Because basically what we are going to do is we are going to force reset or hard reset our iPhone. So what you need to do is you need to click on the volume up button, the volume down button, and then the lock button very fast. So I'll show you how to do this right now. So volume up, volume down, lock button. Keep the lock button held in until you see this screen, and then you need to keep holding it in until you see the screen go black. Now basically, as you can see, this has now gone off. And if we keep the button held in, what you will eventually get is you'll then get the Apple logo returned to your screen, which basically means that the phone is rebooting and you have fully hard reset and refreshed your iPhone. And once this does load back up, you will be able to use your phone as you would usually. And then as you can see, this iPhone has now fully rebooted and I can use this as I would usually. So if I just use my Face ID, as you can see, you will then be able to flick through and go through your apps as you would normally. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.